Becky. I'm with Shop at LA, Sell It on eBay, and we're a large registered eBay drop-off store in Los Angeles. And we sell items to buyers all over the world. And the final part of really good customer service is to make sure that the item you sell online arrives to the buyer safely and undamaged. I'm also one of Scotch brand shipping experts, so I'm going to give you some tips on how to ship and pack a fragile item. This is a $300 teacup that we're going to get ready for shipping. So the first thing you want to do is separate the cup and saucer. Don't pack them together. Take the teacup, roll it in some tissue paper, and then take some bubble wrap, and with the bubbles up, take the teacup and roll it gently but firmly, fold it over in the bubble wrap, so you're making a nice little ball around the teacup. Then I like to use this Scotch brand Sure Grip tape dispenser. It's really lightweight and easy to maneuver. I'm going to put the tape on it, wrap it around the bubble wrap. Really easy to break off. And I'm going to give it one more try. There we go. And now we have a nice little cocoon around this fragile cup. I'm going to take the saucer, do the same thing again, wrap it in tissue paper, take some bubble wrap, put the bubbles up, I'm wrapping it firmly, but all around so there's lots of cushion. Take the Scotch Sure Grip tape dispenser and again, wrap it around the whole ball, break it. This is really easy to maneuver. There you go. So now I have two nice little cocoons, balls, ready to go in the box for shipping.